Good afternoon, guys. So I was ready to film right now and I just noticed that my vlogging camera is in the car. So I am using my phone, so I really hope you guys do not mind. So a little update. I'm gonna sit down because I'm tired. Teeny tiny update. So as much as I wanted to film both of my baby showers, the first one was at my house. So honestly, if you know me personally, you know I was a little bit of a little hot mess. So I just was like all over the place. My mom wasn't really, I mean, she was very helpful. She did almost everything, but it makes me a little bit more combobulated. So I was all over the place, to be honest. And then at my sister-in-law's baby shower, I kind of was all over the place too, but I was more of like laid back. And I did film a little bit here and there, which I'll put into this video. Decorations and everything, because the one my mom did was totally girly, everything pink, totally not me. And then my sister-in-law's was completely Baby Yoda, which was really cute with hints of pink here and there. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is my second baby shower. It literally took me, I'm not exaggerating, it took me since 11 o'clock to get ready today. And let me tell you what time it is. Give me 1 second. It's 2:30. This hair took me like 2 hours. It was ridiculous. Let me go ahead and just show you my dress. If you saw, I don't even think, I'll just probably input it here from my first baby shower. It was a like a blushy nude one. Before this baby shower, I wanted to go with black, which is actually the original color I also wanted to go with my other baby shower, but to please my mother, I wear a more girly color. But yeah, so this took me forever to do. Hopefully it kind of stays in place. I just wanted it to be a little bit more on the girly side. I've done it better, but I'm tired, so guys, how that went. So yeah, so we did that. My room is a hot mess. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and get started with oh my gosh, my arm hurts. How do people do this with their phones all the time? We're actually gonna go ahead and get started and pick up some things that we are going to put in our hospital bag. I am currently 7.5 months pregnant. Some people are going to be like, you're crazy, you're getting ready too early. Guys, I was born 5 weeks early, so basically in 1 week from today I was technically already born. So I'm just thinking mentally, let me get ready now before, you know, she decides to pop early. And doctor's appointments, I have a lot of them this week, just to make sure everything's okay. So I just want to be prepared in case they tell me I need to chill the last month. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I am gonna quickly show you guys. I mean, it's not really anything awesome or amazing, but we are already getting ready to wash her 0 to 3 month clothes. Right there, so exciting. That frame was actually at her baby shower. But yeah, so basically there's blankets, socks, a whole bunch of socks, a whole bunch of little mitts for her hands in there, and hats, blankets, you know, all the stuff that you basically need for the baby to come home. And her outfits are in there too for coming home as well, and a couple of robes for me. You know, I need it. So we're like slowly but surely getting ready. If I look a little bit whiter, I am trying a different foundation. I'm trying the Catrice New Hydrating Foundation, but I think I got it in a little too light. But my neck is also a little darker right now because of pregnancy, so yeah. So we're currently in the baby's room. It was more organized, but with the other baby shower, it's a little bit all over the place again. Let me just go ahead and just quickly show you what it looks like. All right, so that's actually 9 months. No, yeah, 9 months to 12 plus months. in that bin. So I just put it all in there until we really need it. This is basically some more stuff from the baby shower that we're not going to need right away. Well, of course diapers are, but we just don't know her size yet. I mean her size. Which one's going to work better for her. My cousin actually gave me that. My titi gave me the thing for the to bathe her. But that's mainly right here, and you know, the toys that she's not really going to play with yet right away. Gave me that little Star Wars thing. My boss actually gave me that guy. And that's actually going to go in there. My husband says it smells like plastic, so we're going to air it out for a little bit. My best friend gave me this warmer. We're actually going to bring this to the hospital. Not that she's really going to care. But that's going to go in the hospital bag. All the furniture, that, and that are all from Target. I got some more diapers right down there. Make sure that, yeah, you can see it. Okay, and then we got that from Target. My aunt made that little blanket right there. That order's from me yesterday. But yeah, just like simple things, nothing really crazy here. Lisa from work gave me this, made me absolutely cry. We got this also at the baby shower, which is so cute. It's a nightlight and it has sound. Me and my husband are probably gonna love this more than her because we can't sleep without noise. I got my Frida box right there, which is gonna go in the hospital bag. My mom got me the 4 moms, and then I got that little pillow from Target. I got my 3 diaper bags right there. That one, thank you, Diana. That one is from my aunt, and that one was from my sister-in-law, which is what I call my bougie bag. I'm very cheap when it comes to bags, but I really wanted that one. I will show you guys in another video what that one looks like. What I'm gonna actually take in my hospital bag. Hopefully, I'm not an expert, obviously, guys. It's my first baby, but I watched a lot of videos, so we'll see. We just got the mattress, so it was one of those that come in a folded thing, so we wanted to wait until it finally, you know, got a little soft. That's the blanket we're gonna put on it. But yeah, and then we have the 2 nursing pillows there. A baby Yoda, a little chair. My husband got a Kobo, and a blanket that I believe my cousin's wife did. This is Jetta on it, which is my baby girl's name, and then another baby Yoda. My husband actually got this guy, Ed Gobo, as well. He painted it, and then he added the little hat that's going to be her matching hat with Daddy. And then my aunt made this a baby Rubio little thing. Got this at Target, and then added baby Rubio to it. She said baby Rubio so that in case, you know, we have more kids, which I pray to God that I do. And then another little baby Yoda that my cousin got me. And then we do have some stuff there. We have quite a bit of blankets, quite a bit of like soaps and stuff. And that's actually our clothes are ready for 3 to 9 months so far. But yeah, guys, this is honestly the nursery so far. She is not going to sleep in here anytime soon. So after she is born, we are actually planning her sleeping, not necessarily in our bed, but in our room in the bassinet until she is at least 6 to 7 months, depending on how she does when she's sleeping. If she's a good sleeper, we might actually throw her in here sooner. But we will see. That is the plan. Of course, we don't have her yet, so I don't really want to say anything. But that is the plan. But we are getting her room ready for her arrival. Yeah, I didn't even show you guys the frame, which I absolutely love. And I'm not a frame person. If you know me, I actually don't have things on my walls, but this one I had to. But yeah, so my husband's on his way with some McDonald's breakfast because that's actually what I have a taste for. I want a McGriddle so freaking bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and have that, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to Target and get the things that we need. And I believe that is really the plan today. I really want to do the diaper bags today since I did the other things that I wanted to do. We do need to take out the, what's it called? Oh my gosh, pregnancy brain. The car seat to see if it fits. Not necessarily fits in the car. I want to make sure that the infant insert is in there. or we are gonna have to buy one. Because we do have that. We just need to make sure that, you know, her little head will fit in there perfectly, and like, you know, she won't be like moving around. But yeah, I'm gonna go and eat. Alright guys, I am actually back with my camera. Look at that. So it is now 5 o'clock. It was later in the day. Let me quickly just show you guys what we picked up either at Target or at Walmart. Some stuff baby, some stuff just stuff that we got for the house. So okay, so I've been wanting popcorn. We got some croissants, and we got our favorite biscuits. We got some stuff for my husband's sandwiches. So we got bologna, salami, cheese, chicken breast, peanut butter and jelly, more cheese, bread, and then you guys know I love this wrap. I did start picking up some stuff, I told you guys, for my hospital bag. So I got the spray deodorant from Dove. I got the CeraVe daily lotion and hydrating facial wash. I really wanted something very hydrating for over there, so got that. Got a little baby wash to wash my body. Got 2 Vaseline, one for my bag and one for my baby girls. And I did get toothpaste because I know I needed one. I'm a germaphobe, so I did get these for the hospital as well. Some Kleenex from my husband's bag, and then I did get upside down pretty bottle. If you're a mom or a future mom, you know you know. And then I also got the witch hazel white. Also picked up at Walmart my favorite body wash and body lotion. These are like $2 at Walmart. I honestly hate going to Walmart, so I almost never go. So when I do go, I bulk up and buy like 6 or 8. I bought 6.
Buy like 6 or 8. I bought 6.
And it did break, but it's okay because I have the other one in the bathroom anyways. And then I also got the nighttime lotion. I only got 4 of those. I wanted to get shampoo because I'm running out of my Olaplex until stuff buys me another one. So I got this baggie, and it is gonna have his hospital stuff, but at Walmart they already sell it to you, kind of already pre-made, just so I don't have to do the hassle to put his stuff together. So I also got this. This was like 19 bucks at Walmart. It's a bundle. We're gonna wash our clothes with this, but my best friend said the laundry stain remover we definitely need, so I love it that it comes with a little one as well in there, so we're definitely gonna use that. I got this for the diaper machine thing, which are basically the bags. We got this. My best friend actually kind of said to make sure I get like vitamin D and stuff, so this was $19 at Walmart, and it comes with all 4, so happy I got that. I got a nursing cover up for me, the breast pump bra for me, and I also got some maternity underwear for me. More ganchitos. I got this for the changing cover. I got some shirts for her, which I'm gonna put to wash now. And then we also got this for the car. Feels like I bought so much more than just that. Crazy. And then at Walmart, I saw these. I don't know how I'm gonna eat them before baby though. But they have it's because they have a lot of sodium. But it's hot chips mac and cheese. So good. And then I also got the bold and regular one. But yeah, that is what we picked up. I should probably go ahead and tell him to start washing clothes. Let me get him the other stuff. And yeah, get this day going. Still gotta put everything away too, so much fun. Alright guys, I'm actually going to call it a night. It's not even that late, but we're gonna go ahead and watch the Olympics or a movie, one of the two. But I am tired, and he is washing right now our Munchin's clothes. It's gonna be 2 different loads. He's gonna wash and dry that. So I'm going to put that stuff away tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy this I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.